Hey guys, OmniFusion's back at it with another video. So today I am doing a toy review on this Paw Patrol Chase police car. So obviously this toy is very big. And, yeah. I want to say this is based upon the Paw Patrol movie that came out a long time ago. And, yeah. So, yeah, now this toy does have some cool little features. One of which is the lights and sounds. So, I guess I might as well let you guys hear some of the lights and some of the phrases that this toy has. And then, yeah. So, let's get into it. Or, there we go. So guys, I think that's all this toy really does. It makes engine noises, and it plays the little Paw Patrol jingle, or theme, and yeah, that's really all it does in terms of the electronic features. But the next feature this toy has is that obviously there's two buttons on the doors, one of which controls like the hidden like hatch doors, which are underneath of the hood. And then this other button opens the main whole front part of the police car. So might as well show you that now. And there you go, guys. Here is what the Paw Patrol Chase police car looks like opened up. As you guys can tell, this toy does have its own little disc launcher. And here's the hatch door that I was talking about in the start of the video, or at the start of the video. And to make this open up, of course, you're gonna just press this little red button, and there you go. Now, as you guys could see, the hatch doors swung open, and now it reveals a little ramp, which is kind of where the little Chase motorcycle would launch out of. But since this toy didn't come with that, obviously, yeah. And then to mainly reset everything, basically just push the whole front part of the car back together, like that. So, yeah, that's all this toy does, is that it makes lights and sounds, and it has a cool little deployment, or it has a little bit of a deployer gimmick. But, yeah. Now, for many of you Transformers fans out there, I will be modifying this into a futuristic version of Chase from Transformers Rescue Bots. So, yeah. Now I guess really that's going to wrap it up for this video, everyone. Don't forget to stay tuned for more videos like this. And yeah, this has been OmniFusions signing out.